This is the Vintage Coach Ergo Zip bag, style number 9025. This bag was made in the US in 1997 and it's in the color Mahogany, so it's a nice rich dark brown color. It is a shoulder bag. Here's the rest of the shoulder strap. So hopefully you can see that in frame. It's got a split seam down the middle of the front and the back of the bag, so it's pretty much identical on both sides. Here's a side view, and it's also got these interesting seams along the bottom corners of the bag, and it's got a zip closure with a matching leather zipper pull. And then when we open the bag, you can see it does have one slip pocket on the inside. The pocket is a hanging pocket that we can actually pull out, and then you can also see the Cristina stamped on that pocket. So that is the Ergo Zip bag, style 9025. This is a great option if you want a shoulder bag, and it is available now in our online store, so I will link it below in case you want to check it out. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.